ma-maay koutou. Hi, my name is BJ.
And we're Winton School. I'm Kaylee. Welcome to N.E.W.S news with R2, the 26th of May.
Okay, let's start today with Tidy's class for week 5 last week. Drum roll, please.
For rooms 4, 5 and 11. Kapai. Yes, that's us.
Keep your classes tidy for the term and be into when the pizza lunch reward.
Okay, on to Te Kupu O Te Wiki. This week's word is taringa,
which is tiria for ear.
Kua, ma-maay, taku, taringa. My ear is sore.
Taukuri Oh dear.
Hockey news. Winton Wipeouts, you have hockey training today at lunchtime on the basketball court. Or maybe the hole, if it's wet, be there at 12:45, please.
Winton Wizards, your training season is to the same deal, 12:45. Kia ora.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, high-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. It's dark out there in the morning. Koutou.
Sandpit news. A note to all students using sandpit toys. They stay in the sandpit. Thank you.
Choir news. Everyone who signed up for choir use taringa.
You have a lunchtime rehearsal tomorrow in the hall. Please take your lunch and be there at 12:30.
And science fair news. All year 5 and 6 students interested in entering a display, please see Mrs. Kohler at interval in the library. Kapai.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S, kakite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud, Winton School.